Hello friends, we have come together again and we will be seeing the end part of this lesson about the drainage. We have come to the end of this lesson today and we shall see the last part of this lesson, and please take your textbook page number 31. The last part we will see. We were discussing about the water harvesting in different parts of our country, especially where the water scarcity is felt very acutely, like Shillong we said. Dome syndrome is there, which is the place where the highest rainfall is recorded. But close to that, Shillong is experiencing very dry and they have water scarcity. Therefore, most of the people in Shillong, they depend on this rainwater harvesting. And some other parts of India also, they continue to make it a habit that they want to harvest the water. Instead of allowing it to go away or flow away, they want harvest it and make it go down to the earth in order to increase the ground level water. That is the intention. So let us see again today how some of the parts of India, how the people are responding, how the people are carrying out this water harvesting and so on. So today, Western Rajasthan. So we know Rajasthan is the hottest or driest place in our country. So sadly, the practice of rooftop rainwater harvesting is on the decline because plenty of water is available due to the perennial Rajasthan canal through some houses, though some houses still maintain the tankas since they do not like the taste of the tap water. So Rajasthan was experiencing such a dryness. The people did not have enough water to drink. They had to go miles and miles to fetch some water for drinking. Now government has done something for them. Government has made a canal which is perennial. That means throughout the year there is water in this canal. So this water is useful for the people. So because of this canal that is flowing through Rajasthan and the people are able to get water throughout the year from this canal, some of the people have stopped already collecting rainwater or roof water. They say there is a canal, why to collect the rainwater. So it is a very sad thing that people have abandoned their practice of rainwater harvesting. But some people, they continue to use this rainwater because the water that the canal water that comes through pipes, taps, the taste is different because they put a lot of chemicals inside like potassium permanganate and so on in order to purify and kill the germs. They put a lot of chemicals and that changes the taste of the water. And sometimes it is coming through the iron pipe and the iron pipe gets rusty inside and the water taste is changed. So at least for drinking, the people can use this rainwater, then it will be healthy for them, hygienic for them. But some people are so lazy and they continue to depend only on this canal water. Though it is not tasty, though it is not very healthy, they still continue to use it. But fortunately, some people are still using good rainwater in order to meet the essential needs like cooking and drinking and so on. Then, fortunately, in many parts of the rural and the urban India, rooftop rainwater harvesting is being successfully adopted to store and conserve water. So, though we said some people are abandoning the practice of collecting the rainwater, but there are some people who continue to use this rainwater in order to meet the daily needs, especially even in the urban area and the rural area, and so some people are still using this roof water. and that is the most pure form of water also. And in Gandhathur, a remote backward village in Mysuru, Karnataka, villages have installed. So now we are going to Karnataka in Mysore, and we are going to see a village called, what's the name of the village? Village called Gandhathur, and that's a very remote area, very far away from the town. So how these people are handling this water harvesting program, that's what we shall see. So they villages, they have installed in their households rooftop rainwater harvesting system to meet their water needs. So all the people in this village, they have installed the roof water harvesting system. We already explained in the last class how to harvest the rainwater. So from the roof, the pipe should be, PVC pipe should be connected, and all the water that is flowing down the roof should fall into this pipe, and then it is connected to the tank, to the well or bore well, and so on. That is how the water is collected. And so in this Gandur village, all the people have got this water harvesting system in their house. It is connected, and in their household rooftop rainwater harvesting system to meet their water needs. And nearly 200 households have installed this system, and the village has earned the rare distinction of being rich in rainwater. So around 200 people are there, 200 houses are there in this village, and everyone has installed this system for collecting rainwater. And so this village is very famous there in Karnataka. What's the reason? Because this village is very rich in rainwater. They don't allow any rooftop water to flow away or to be wasted. They all collect it in the tank, and the people are very rich in rainwater. So that is the speciality of this Gandur village. The people are realize the importance of this rainwater, and therefore they collect it, and all the people are satisfied. They are very rich in this rainwater. They have sufficient and more rainwater is there. And you can see in your picture, there is a picture, houses are there, and pipes are connected from the roof, and that PVC pipe is connected to the tank. Water is collected in this tank. So that is a system that people are following in order to collect this rainwater. So we'll read once again what is given under that picture, how they are collecting the rainwater. So rooftop harvesting was common across the towns and villages of Thar. So the desert region, people whether they are in the town or village, it was very common for them to collect this rooftop water. Then rainwater that falls on the sloping part roof houses, taken through the pipe into the underground tanks, and it is built in the main house or in the courtyard. So we explained in the last class also, some of the places people are building the water tank inside their house, because the presence of water tank inside the house will cool the atmosphere, and the air will be cool. They will be able to escape from the heat of the day. So that is the double purpose. First of all, they get water and also make their room cool. So they don't have to go for buying AC and so on. The natural coolant is there by the rainwater. So the people were very expert. And the picture above shows water being taken from the neighbor's roof through a long pipe. So if the neighbor does not need water, roof water, then other person can connect the pipe and take that water also to the well. So all the nearby houses can be connected together and put the water into one time. Then here the neighbor's rooftop has been used for collection of rainwater. The picture shows a hole through which rainwater flows down into the underground tankers. So the water is collected from all the rooftops, from all the houses, and it is sent into the tank, underground tank, and it will remain there, and water level, the groundwater level also will come up because of the presence of this underground tanks. So that is a great thing that we are doing to the nature. Instead of destroying the nature, instead of making the nature very hot, we can help the nature to increase the water level under the earth. So we are talking about Gendur village in Karnataka. And so the Gendur receives an annual precipitation of 1000 mm. So in a year, the Gendur village, they receive precipitation or rainfall. 1000 mm rainfall they receive. That is a very good rainfall. And with 80% of the collection efficiently and about 10 fillings, every house can collect and use about 50,000 liters of water annually. So since they are receiving so much of rainfall every year, if every family is collecting the roof water, and in a year they can use 50,000 liters of water. So you can imagine, if we have to buy so much of water from other place, how much money we have to pay. So this is provided by the nature to give us good, pure water. And so we must be able to imitate these people of Gundur. We can also have this rainwater harvesting so that the dryness, the heat, the drought, all that can be overcome. Then from the 20 houses, the net amount of rainwater harvested annually amounts to 1 lakh liters. So 20 families together, they collect how much water? They collect 1 lakh liters. So much of water is collected, 1 lakh liters is collected together with 20 families. So that is a great inspiration for all of us. And little knowledge about Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is the first state in India which has made rooftop rainwater harvesting structure compulsory to all the houses across the state. So Tamil Nadu also is experiencing the water scarcity. Therefore, the government gave order to the people that every house, it is compulsory to have water collection structure. So they have to set up rooftop water collection, and nobody is allowed to escape from that. If anybody is not obeying it, if anybody is not collecting the roof water, then they will be disobeying the rule of the state and they can be punished. Therefore, this was the first state in the country where government imposed and made it compulsory that all the people should collect the roof water. Then there are legal provisions to punish the defaulter. So if anybody is breaking the law, if anybody is not obeying the law, then the law, according to the law, they can be punished. So every state government where the drought is experienced severely, in order to impose or make the people understand the needs or the importance of collecting group water and to put it, store it in a tank and which can be made use. And in the picture also we can see how people are using naturally provided bamboo in order to use the or save the water. So where there is a natural source is a, you can connect a bamboo and the water will be directed to the plant at the root of the plant. So if you simply pour everywhere, the water is wasted. So in the dry season where very little water is available, learning to benefit that plant, we put bamboo, we connect bamboo and make the water exactly reach to the root of the plant. That is very important. That is another technology that we can practice in our life, in our society and so on. So here we come to the end of this lesson, and in the next class we shall see about another lesson, and we shall study about agriculture. So we studied about the importance of water, and now we will see the importance of agriculture. And now we will also, in the next class, we will also see the few exercises that are there at the end of this lesson. Today we will